Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the wheat leaf disease detection using machine learning. So let's open the terminal. This is the project folder. Write python space app.py space run server. So user interface developed using Django, and this is web interface, and the backend language is Python. We use image processing to analyze the image. Okay, model will load and it will open the web interface. It will take time to load the model, and we got one URL, so we have to copy that URL and paste in any browser. It will open the application. So just copy that URL and paste in any browser. So I'm just opening the Chrome browser and just paste here. Okay, we have to upload any image, then it will recognize it. Okay, so I'm just selecting uploading any image. Let's select first image and click on the submit button. The model will load and then it will show the result. Okay, like that you can see, like it shows the healthy, that leaf is healthy. I'm just giving another image and click on the submit button. Okay, this image also healthy, like this leaf also healthy. You can select any other image. I'm giving the third image and click on the submit button. So it gives the result septoria. Okay, this is the complete project. If you are in doubt, I can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.